Now here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a little bit of a chilly start out there this morning, so the potential of some black ice will still be there, but not nearly as much as what we saw yesterday morning. Here are your weather headlines, and a lot of people asking for a repeat of yesterday. Well, we will get close to the temperatures of yesterday in the upper 40s to low 50s. I don't think quite as warm today, a few degrees cooler. That's because we'll get a little bit more in the way of cloud cover. I'm not talking about a mostly cloudy day, but basically half and half, not the start to finish blue sky that we had yesterday, which was just really nice to enjoy. Lots of people outside yesterday. We'll also get a little bit less of a breeze today, and that overall tends to be a good thing. However, we could use a little breeze this morning. Right now, some calm spots are kind of stuck with those stubborn patches of cold air. Sometimes breezes actually push that out of the way. That process will take a little while longer this morning. That's why temperatures overall will end up a little cooler. Some light snow on the way. We're talking about small accumulations. How about that morning commute? Well, I'll tell you what, just to make you stick around for the conclusion of this really exciting forecast, I'll talk about that morning commute coming up in just a minute. Very cold weather on the way next week, and I should really say this week, basically starting tomorrow all the way through the end of the week, and even next weekend, an Arctic outbreak. You combine this with a Wednesday storm, and we could see some slightly more significant accumulations for the middle of the week. I will also discuss that in just a few minutes. Outside we go to Newport Harbor. A beautiful view here this morning. You know, sometimes at this time in the morning we get the foggy views, but not the case right now. 39 degrees. You can see Fort Adams here in the background, and also a nice view from the capital city. Just enough in the way of cloud cover to create some really pretty colors out there this morning. Temperature is at freezing, and the winds are calm. So again, those spots near or below freezing could see some of those side roads with a little bit of refreezing on them from the melting that we did yesterday. 36 right now in Smithfield, 32 Providence, 39 Newport, and 29 in Westerly. So temperatures really all over the place this morning. A lot of that is cloud cover and breeze dependent. If you're calm and clear, well, you're going to be one of those colder temperatures right now. As we look at the satellite picture, you can see some clouds advancing from the west. Also notice this band of moisture, mostly snow right now. This will sort of redevelop and then poke through southern New England by the time we get into this evening. And any precipitation that falls today will be in the form of rain at first, but I am not expecting a rainy day. We'll see the chance of some rain showers developing by this evening, primarily though not until after midnight. We could get a few after 6 or 7 o'clock this evening, but most of it arriving during the wee hours of Monday morning. And then we will change this over to mostly snow by 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, represented by the blue. Notice how this particular model keeps the heaviest of the precipitation just offshore, but really everywhere has the risk of seeing some light snow through very early tomorrow morning, and even a few heavy bursts of snow are possible. But it's out of here quickly by late morning into the afternoon. We actually bring in some sunshine. So when we add everything up right now, I'm going with a dusting to an inch of snow. Could be some isolated higher amounts, especially right across the southeastern Massachusetts coast if we get some of those heavier bursts. And I'll let you know this evening if we have any changes to make to this forecast. In terms of timing, I'm thinking that most of the snow is over with by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. So you could be a little bit slowed if you're an early morning commuter, but I'm thinking if you're a late morning commuter after 8 or 9 o'clock, you should be okay. Obviously, the potential of some slick roads, but no severe impacts to the Monday morning commute tomorrow. This is 1 o'clock this afternoon, so I'm backtracking for just a second. You could see mid to upper 40s for the most part, so we should be able to do some melting. All right, look at this. Cold for Tuesday, potential snow on Wednesday. Right now, it looks like at least several inches are possible, but at this point, too early to say if that's really going to be a big blockbuster storm. Don't forget WPRI.com, the place to go for more weather updates.